Scabies, known as the 7-year itch, is a contagious skin infestation by the mite Sarcops scabiei. The most common symptoms are severe itchiness and a pimple-like rash. Occasionally tiny burrows may be seen in the skin. When first infected, usually 2 to 6 weeks are required before symptoms occur. If a person develops a second infection later in life, symptoms may begin within a day. These symptoms can be present across most of the body or just certain areas such as the wrists, between fingers, or along the waistline. The head may be affected, however this is typically only in young children, and not in older children or adults. The itch is often worse at night. Scratching may cause skin breakdown and an additional bacterial infection of the skin. Scabies is caused by infection with the female mite Sarcops scabiei. The mites burrow into the skin to live and deposit eggs. The symptoms of scabies are due to an allergic reaction to the mites. Often only between 10 and 15 mites are involved in an infection. Scabies is most often spread during a relatively long period of direct skin contact with an infected person, such as that which may occur during sex. Spreads of disease may occur even if the person has not developed symptoms yet. Crowded living conditions such as those found in child care facilities, group homes, and prisons increase the risk of spread. Areas with a lack of access to water also have higher rates of disease. Crusted scabies is a more severe form of the disease. It typically only occurs in those with a poor immune system, and people may have millions of mites, making them much more contagious. In these cases, spread of infection may occur during brief contact or via contaminated objects. The mite is very small and usually not directly visible. Diagnosis is based on the signs and symptoms. A number of medications are available to treat those infected, including permethrin, crotamidine and lindane creams and ivermectin pills. Sexual contacts within the last month and people who live in the same house should also be treated at the same time. Bedding and clothing used in the last 3 days should be washed in hot water and dried in a hot dryer. As the mite does not live for more than 3 days away from human skin, more washing is not needed. Symptoms may continue for 2 to 4 weeks following treatment. If after this time there continue to be symptoms, retreatment may be needed. Please subscribe to our channel and give this video thumbs up. Share this video with your friends on Facebook and Twitter. Thanks for watching.